Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. कैसे हो आप सब? I hope you all are doing good. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you my recent purchase from the brand Dot and Key. Actually I have purchased like 5 to 6 items from the brand, and they are kind of skincare products. Obviously the Dot and Key has skincare on its website, and this is the packaging which I have already opened. So this is not a kind of unboxing video. This is like I'm showing you products that I have purchased, new products basically. So the very first product is lip balm by Dot and Key. It has 2% kojic acid and SPF 50, and I love the shape of this lip balm. It's look like this. I really like these kind of lip balms. And the next one is also a lip balm. Actually we got like 4 lip balms here. This is also a lip balm by Dot and Key, and it is SPF 50 PA+++ plus UVA plus UVB, and it is barrier repair ceramide and peptide lip balm. So this is the second one, and it is in flavor strawberry. The next one is again a lip balm. You can call me a lip balm paglu. This lip balm is Gloss Boss lip balm, vitamin C sorry, and E, and it also has SPF 50, and it is in flavor of cocoa mint, and this is castor oil free, and it is tinted, and the quantity of this product is like 12 gram. And the next one is also a lip balm. This lip balm is same as this one. These are the same lip balms, but they have like the shade of these lip balm is different. This is Red Romance, this one is Red Romance, and this one is Warm Nude, and the flavor of these lip balms, this is strawberry and this is cocoa. Okay, now the next product is this Dot and Key strawberry dew tinted sunscreen for daily wear, and it also this is sunscreen, so it is obvious that it has SPF 50 PA++++. It has 4 plus, and this is shade 1 porcelain. So I got the same of sunscreen of the same, like this sunscreen is same as the before one. Now the next one is this is the moisturizer by Dot and Key, and this is oil free moisturizer, and the quantity of this moisturizer is 25 ml. This is non comedogenic, and if I pronounce wrong, please do let me know in the comment section, and so sorry pehle. Okay, so this is the moisturizer. This is the last product by Dot and Key, and that's it for this video. And if you like this video, please do let me know in the comment section, and hit that like button, and share this video to your loved ones, and do let me know in the comment section how you feel about this video, or should I make more videos like this in future, or do I have to change my content. And you can subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want. So thank you so much. Bye bye, have a nice day.